Hey there! Check out the Call Learn to Play Ukulele Soprano Starter Kit that has everything you need to start playing. This kit features a soprano ukulele with a mahogany top, back, and sides, plus a satin finish for a classic look. It includes a walnut fingerboard, Graphtec Nubone nut and saddle, and Aquila Super Nylgut strings for great sound quality. Perfect for beginners, the kit comes with online lessons, a quick start guide, and a tuning app to help you learn quickly. Also included is a convenient tote bag bundle with a tuner and a lumen trail polishing cloth to keep your instrument in top shape. The soprano size is the smallest and most common ukulele, tuned G-C-E-A with tight fret spacing. Start your ukulele journey today with this complete, beginner-friendly kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.